Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy USDT on Binance. First thing first, choose your purchase method. Go to the Binance website or open the app and then click on your portfolio. Click on Buy Crypto at the navigation bar. Check which buying options are available in your country. You can buy USDT directly or first buy another stablecoin and then convert it to USDT for better compatibility. Navigate to the Buy Tether USDT with USD page from Binance and select Tether USDT and USD from the drop-down menu. Choose card as the payment method, then click Confirm. If this is your first purchase, click Add New Card, enter your card details, then click Confirm. And on the payment confirmation page, review your order details, then confirm within the time limit. Just click Refresh if the quote expires. Click Confirm again to place your order and complete the bank's OTP verification. Once verified, your USDT will appear in your spot wallet. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.